are getting another caller today. Balkrishnan is dining in from Kerala. Balkrishnan, very good morning to you. Thanks so much for joining in. What's your query?
So I am holding 100 shares of CG Power, purchased almost 1 year back at the rate of 729. What is the prospects of the company, whether it is likely to go up? Today I have seen some increase, upward movement in the share value. Whether it will sustain or whether it will,
And Balkrishnan, can you hold the stock for a little while if we get a long-term view? Okay. Saurabh, let me come to you because, we've also seen a Morgan Stanley note today initiating coverage. Possibly on that, we're seeing a positive reaction on the stock. But what do you make of it, CG Power?
Yeah, again, while the company is very good, it is into the electric equipments and many more things, but the valuations are still high, trading at 32 times to book value, more than 100 times to trailing earnings. It seems quite expensive. So, in my opinion, it should be avoided.
Okay, avoid CG Power is the view that Saurabh has. We've got our next question then on Sigachi Industries. Venkat from Hyderabad is writing in and asking about this counter. He's bought at the levels of 49 and he's got 2,034 shares in his portfolio and wants to know whether he can continue to hold or not. Brijesh, I'll come to you on this one. Sigachi Industries on the charts, how is it faring?
So I think it's in a downtrend and the structure is not too much of positive. Maybe there can be some pullback, but view would be cautious because I think the charts are making a low structure. So on a temporary or maybe on a short-term perspective, it looks weak. So bounce back should be viewed as an exit opportunity.
Got that, Brijesh. We are getting another query on WhatsApp. Now, Rajesh Arvind from Pune is sending actually a query on WhatsApp. He has 100 shares of Bajaj Finserv at roughly about 1,900 rupees per share. So we are seeing some positive momentum from the buy price. He's mentioned if he can hold it for 6 months. So he can hold it for 6 months, he's saying, and asking if he can accumulate more or hold on. Saurabh, let me come to you on this one because it's a stock that doesn't seem very rapid movements, at least in the near term. So do you expect some positive momentum over the next, at least in some time, based on the company's fundamental performance?
I think it is very difficult to give view for the 6 months, but yes, the company is very old and it's a good company. It's kind of a portfolio stock. If you want to hold for the long term, I mean more than 1 year, then it should be a good hold.
All right, so that's with regards to where Bajaj Finserv stands. We've got